backpacker going to New York, I thought I would do a quick run through of my outfit inspo and what I actually have from my wardrobe. So just if anybody's going to New York or any city break over the winter, here's a few little outfit ideas for you. So the first outfit we have brown and yellow Adidas Sambas. Then I've got a cable knit jumper from M&S and it has this little tassel detail along the bottom, so I just think that's a really good chunky throw on. Again, another pair of green sequin trousers from M&S. These are just such a good staple for the festive period, and I thought that would go so nice together with the chocolate brown and the forest green. And then to throw on top, a fur jacket from Naked Fashion. But I just think that's such a good New York outfit. Throw on some sunglasses as well over the top. Like perfect. The brown, it brings in the brown and the trainers. Perfect outfit number one. Because I'm trying not to be a chronic overpacker, I am going to try and rewear a lot of the pieces. This outfit's more for when we go out for a nice evening meal. The idea was to wear the green sequin trousers in the day, and then for when we need to quickly run back, get changed. I'm just going to change my shoes for these black pointed heel boots. I've got my Ganni boo bag to go along with it. The green sequin M&S trousers up with this black lace asymmetric top from Shein. And I just feel like that's going to be a nice outfit. And then again, throwing on my fur jacket. And then next outfit is for one of them chill days when maybe possibly it's raining. I'm looking at the weather and it's not looking rainy in New York at the moment, but I just want to stay prepared. So I've got my black chunky boots. These are perfect for when it's snowing, raining, anything like that. These are like waterproof, so perfect. And then I've got an oatmeal quarter zip jumper, which is just really cozy. It has a hood on the back there as well. I've got some leopard print trousers. I just think them tones go really well together. This got black in it, so it's going to bring the black from the boots, and I would probably wear my Ganni handbag with this one. And then again, my fur jacket. She's coming a long way, so she's going to get used numerous times. However, if it does rain, I can always throw on my Zara silver puffer jacket. This is just a really good waterproof jacket, and you still look cool without getting wet. With that outfit, I probably would maybe throw on a cap again if it's raining, if it's snowing. So I've got a brown first time lucky, or I've got a burgundy cap, just to kind of bring in the colours. This one's going to bring a pop of colour in. Next daytime outfit is this brown and cream outfit. Again, Adidas Sambas. Got this oatmeal knit jumper from Odd Muse, and then I would pair it with some chocolate brown satin wide leg trousers. These are such an easy trouser to just throw in your suitcase because it literally takes up no space whatsoever. I could also maybe possibly travel in these just because they are really comfortable. And then I'm going to throw on my oversized leather doula jacket. Has a little bomber on the back and a leather. Again, this is a good jacket for if it rains because it's not going to get ruined like what my fur jacket would be. My next outfit, I'm going to bring the leopard print jeans back out, my chunky boots, fur jacket, and then the brown chunky knit jumper. This again is just a cool, I think it's just a cool outfit. I really like them. I really like the leopard print jeans with them boots. They just set a really good height for them. For the colder days, I've got my oatmeal knitted beanie. I've got a long sleeve t-shirt. I did want to have a brown t-shirt, however, I haven't got one, so I'm just going to go with this. It is a base layer, so it's like a thermal long sleeve t-shirt, which is perfect. I literally got a brown long sleeve t-shirt on today. This is cropped, so actually it's not really good, and it's not that thermal. This is a thermal. I'm going to stick with that. And then I've got my Zara silver puffer jacket, like grey black washed Abercrombie jeans. I love these two together. I think I love the like cooler tones of this outfit. And then possibly my travel outfit, I haven't fully decided. It depends how much space I've got in my suitcase. I may possibly need to wear my chunky boots, but if I don't end up wearing it, I'll wear it another day. But a burgundy cap, and then I would throw on the leather jacket. Again, if I don't end up wearing the leather jacket on board, this has actually got like padding inside, so it's actually a really cozy jacket to be wearing on the plane because planes get a little bit chilly. The jumper with the hood from primer, and then I've also got these brown gym leggings, like really stretchy, really comfortable, from Arnie. So they're gonna come with me anyways, because even if I don't end up wearing them on the plane, I may wear the wide leg trousers, but these are gonna be just a good thing for if I need to throw like leggings on underneath my trousers if it gets a little bit chilly. These are gonna be good to take with me anyways. For an outfit where I possibly may be going out for tea, if we need another fancy outfit, I'm gonna bring my black pointed heel boots. I've got my brown chunky knit jumper, just a brown t-shirt underneath, because it goes really well with this brown maxi skirt from Odd Muse. They go really nice together. I've worn it before. If I get a little bit hot in the restaurant, I can always take it off, and at least I've got a nice t-shirt on underneath. This is a nice thick as well. It's a nice thick material. And then the maxi chocolate brown skirt from Odd Muse. Got two outfits that I can possibly wear the skirt with, or I did style it with the Odd Muse jumper. Tuck it in, wear the belt. It depends if that jumper gets dirty, or if this jumper gets dirty, at least I've got another option that I can possibly wear with the skirt. And then the final outfit, and possibly my favourite, going to see the Brooklyn Nets and the New York Knicks basketball game. I'm so excited. So I kind of want it to be like cool but still casual. I'd probably wear my brown Sambas, and then we'd go for the fur jacket on top. I've got these burgundy wide leg lace trousers from Naked Fashion, and I really wanted to bring these with me, and I really wanted to try and style them as like a casual, but I really like the way that these look with the oversized t-shirt. The t-shirt that I have bought to go with it, I just ordered it, so it hasn't arrived. Fingers crossed it arrives in time, because it's got like the basketball on the top. I just think that's gonna be really cool. But that's the idea for the basketball game. That's the quick little roundup of outfits that I'm thinking I'm gonna take to New York versus the flat lays. Stick around, because I'm hoping to do a try on video just to make sure that the outfits that are in the flat lay and in my head do actually work, and I'm not just taking it to New York and it doesn't go to plan. But if you did need any outfits for any trips that you're doing, if you're going to any city trips like November, December, January time, hopefully you've got some outfits there. Thanks.